My name is Heather Harrell. I'm the owner and chef of 11th and Bay. Today we're going to do one of our most popular dishes, smoked chicken legs, and we're going to serve it with a fennel, apple, and blue cheese slaw. We're taking off the bottom portion of the meat. We cut around the center of the leg, scrape down the leg here, give it a good twist. It takes it right off. We're going to mix up our marinade, and then we're going to whisk it together, pour it right over the legs, give them a swirl. And we'll let these marinate for about an hour. And I let them sit at room temperature because you don't want to put them on the smoker cold. We'll let them burn down and then we'll add our wood. And we want to get the temperature to 225, a low and slow smoke.
The Oklahoma Joe, each one of them comes with its own serial number. You can customize it, it has its own life. You have to get to know their personalities. And once you understand them, she'll never let you down. We've been using their hickory wood ever since the beginning. Burns very well and seasoned well, it's all dry. It's the best flavor out there. A couple more minutes.
So we're going to take them out of the marinade, pat them dry. We don't want to steam our legs, we want to smoke the legs. All right, so these are going to go on the smoker. This color right here is really what I'm looking for.
But I'm going to throw these in the freezer just to chill them down even quicker.
So, drop them in the fryer, and drop them in. We have our finished legs. They're going into some melted sriracha butter, some Midland Ghost white sauce, very vinegary, peppery. Okay. Let's eat.